Okay guys, are you all ready for your upcoming session? As you all are aware of that today's session name is Science is Life. Now, what is the motive of this session? Let me tell you. As you can see, आप जिस वर्ल्ड में रह रहे हो अपने अराउंड, आपकी जितनी भी सराउंडिंग है, जिन भी लोकेलिटीज को आप देखते हो, जिन लोगों से आप मिलते हो, जो चीजें इस्तेमाल करते हो, राइट, सारी चीजें कहीं ना कहीं साइंस से कनेक्टेड है, राइट और नॉट? और कुछ इसी तरीके से आज साइंस की इंपॉर्टेंस हमारी लाइफ में क्या है, ये आपको अपने शब्दों के जरिए अपने दोस्तों तक पहुंचाना है और उन लोगों तक पहुंचाना है जो शायद इस बारे में थोड़े बहुत अवेयर नहीं है, राइट? That's why today we have organized an event that is Science is Life. So shall we begin? Yes. Okay. We will begin it just within a countdown of 10. So let's do with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the very first performer of today's event is going to be, shall I? Yes. Is Akshit. Clap for Akshit, guys. Your time starts now.
Oh, I'm very excited to see my new book. What is the first chapter? Soil erosion? What is it? Guys, I know this thing, many of you know about the soil erosion, but some people don't know about it. So guys, I am Akshit and today I am going to tell you about the soil erosion, and it is a very interesting topic of science. So guys, what is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the process of the top layer of the soil, when the top layer of the soil, which contains all the nutrition, minerals and microorganisms which are important for the growth, which are important for the growth for the plants, is washed from one place to another by the natural resources such as wind and water, and but not only that, some human aggressive activities can also do it, such as mining and logging and the construction of road and buildings. But the vital question is that how can we save the soil? The very first way is afforestation. And guys, if you don't know about it, the afforestation is when we plant the more trees, and the deforestation means when we cut down a large amount of trees. And the second way we can do is minimize the use of water during farming and gardening. So by that, all the nutrients which are vital for the growth of plant will not be washed from the plant. And the last way we can do is put the wooden planks along the beaches and make the big walls make the big walls against the big waves of water to prevent water from eroding the soil. Guys, do you know one thing, that the word erosion comes from Latin word name erosionum, and guys, do you know also the scientists have proved this thing, that the Colorado River has been eroding from the Grand Canyon, it is eroding.
Thank you so much, Akshay. That was really a lovely performance. The way he shared his information part to us, that was completely commendable, right or not, guys? So clap for Akshay.
Thank you, guys.
So इसी तरीके से बुलाते हैं हमारे second performer को, and the performer is going to be a sweet and a pretty girl, Khushi. Clap for Khushi, guys.
Guys, today is session of Science is Life, and your friend Khushi is here to present about water is life. Guys, water is basic need of our life. We should save water. We should not waste water in any form. Water have used in many industries. We should use the bucket to taking bath instead of shower. We should collect the rainwater for plants and grow it more. and make this world beautiful. In this world, there is 100% water, and the 90% water is dirty, and the 10% water is clean that we use for drinking and cleaning our home. And guys, that the water is not only a word, it becomes our life. It is so popular. It don't have any color, don't have any taste, but then it is popular. And guys, by listening me, you will not say save water, save life, and save words. Thank you.
Wow. What a beautiful performance. मतलब कितनी calmness के साथ खुशी ने हमें water के importance बताई, right? How many of you feel that really water plays an imperative role in everybody's life? Everyone, right? So just repeat this thing with Khushi, okay? Save water.
Save water.
Save life.
Save life.
Thank you so much. Clap for her, guys.
Have you ever listened about geological and meteorological phenomena?
No.
Geological phenomena is the phenomena which occur on the lithosphere, or you can say on the earth. And meteorological, it is just opposite of the geological. It's happened above the earth and in the atmosphere of the earth. Let's talk about the largest phenomena of the geological.
Look into the audience.
That's volcano. There are three types of volcano. First, active, dormant, and extinct volcano. I am going to perform an active volcano. Do you want to see?
Yes.
Okay, Di. This is geological active volcano. Everyone see? That's my performance. That's it.
Thank you so much, Amrit. Guys, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए अमृत के एफर्ट्स के लिए. अमृत, your performance was literally amazing. मतलब देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने इतना ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क किया अपने सिर्फ एक परफॉर्मेंस के लिए. That was I helped him. Okay, that was appreciable. But एक छोटा सा suggestion आपके लिए, right?
Yes.
When we come up with any kind of presentation, here one thing matters a lot. What is that? Your information and your delivering style. तो जब भी आप किसी भी presentation की बात करते हो, focus on your body language. कहीं आप ऐसा तो नहीं कर रहे अपनी body language को बहुत ज़्यादा restrict कर रहे हो, हाथों को, पैरों को, या आंखों को भी direction नहीं दे पा रहे हो, ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे भाग रही आंखें, right? So just focus on these two things. Focus on your body language, and second part is information. Understood?
Okay.
Clap for Amrit, guys.
Water, water, water. Have you listened this? So, do you think that it is clean everywhere? From me, no. Many of the people get die because of the shortage of water. Because not of shortage, because it's dirty, like a Yamuna river, like Ganga river. They cannot. It is a good river, a holy water also, but nobody can drink it because it's dirty. So, I have taken a water filter that you can make it at your home to drink water. In this, you cannot see everything properly, but in this, you can see properly. First, it is a filter. First, you have to put dirty water. Second, the rocks will store the microorganisms, and then the charcoal help us that if the water is too much dirty, so it will stop the water. then it will clean the most smallest microplastics, and then it will purify, and then you can drink it. And thank you.
Wow. What a great solution, right? Natural way of filtering the water. That is completely commendable, guys. Clap for Annapurna.
Hey everyone, this side Sonakshi, and today I have came with an interesting science topic.
Guys,
That
six
is-
o'clock. बहुत
that
बातें
is
कर रहे हो guys आप.
external organs. So guys, the parts of our body that we can see are called external organs. Guys, can you see in our human body there are so many parts that we can see. They are, first of all, they are eyes. Guys, eyes help us to see the beautiful world.
Wow.
And also there is nose. Guys, nose help us to smell
Louder.
guys, nose help us to smell the things. And next is tooth. Guys, tooth help us to chew the food, the delicious food that we need. And guys, next is leg. Guys, legs help us to walk, and we can, with the legs we can do the running, participating in the race competitions, and etc. Guys, lips help us to talk, like I am giving a speech to you and you are listening me, but what I am using, my lips. Next is tongue. Guys, tongue help us to taste the delicious food, and this all was my presentation, and thank you.
Wow. Bhai, that is so beautiful. Just look at the efforts. It was beautiful, it was knowledgeable, and it was impressive. Reason being, she has made all the things to explain to you. Just to explain the things to you and just to deliver these things, she has prepared and she has put her efforts. So just guys, please clap for Sonakshi.
Guys, do you know that everything in the earth is science? Means everything. My name is Natik, and today I am telling about the human brain. The human brain has 5 parts. First is front lobe. The front lobe is important for our voluntary movement, extensive emotions, and many more. Second is temporal lobe. The temporal lobe is storing managing our tensions and many more things. Then is brain stem. The brain stem is responsible for our life. The how many people say that questions, how the brain stem responsible for our life. The brain stem maintain our heartbeats, breathe, touching, sights, hairs, and many more things. Then is optical lobe and cerebellum. The cerebellum and optical lobes are doing one things. Optical lobe store our tensions. When we are tired, the optical lobe send message to the body, and then we see.
Wow.
Second is cerebellum. The cerebellum is maintain our sports, health, and many more things.
Wow,
Thank
nice,
you.
guys. Natik, right? Nahin. Ankit.
No, nothing.
Natik. Clap for Ankit. Natik, guys. Bhai, it was a very first performance of Natik, and he explained it so well, without any kind of hesitation, while that much beautiful diagram. It was really lovely. Clap for Natik, guys. Natik.
So hey guys, this side Mayank, and today I am here to have an interesting topic of the science. So let's embark. Do you know the lemon? And there's an experiment when we do the lemon deep inside the water, so it would be not floating. But when we add the so it will be floating. Why? Let's learn it. Let's see the not soluble water and it is soluble water.
You take.
We will add salt in it, then it will
Tell the
float
name.
out.
Send anyone here. Shilpi ma'am.
You can see that
Shilpi
the soluble water and the lemon is on the
Ma'am,
top,
ma'am.
but without the salt, it is
Just wait
inside.
for 2 minutes.
You can see it is a magic. Let's learn how it happens. The water that has not low energy, that cannot be like this. But when we add salt, the high amount of salt that will be increased, and then the water can the lemon will be up, and we can see the magic. Some like you have know the Ram Setu like this. That is also happens. You will. It is not like this. The Ramji came. No, the stone was there and the salty water was there. When we add, it would be the floating. But now it is not floating because of the high waves of the sea. When we will do the high waves in it, so it will be also not floating. It will be down only. So thank you guys.
Wow, guys. Clap for Mayank. It's not a magic. He just proved this thing that everything is completely dependent on science, experiments, and the innovations. So clap for Mayank, guys.